In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open Leonardo AI in your desktop browser and head to the app homepage. This is where you'll access the image generation tools and begin setting up your project. Once you're inside the app, click on Image. That will take you to the image creation area where all the main controls for generating visuals are located. If you're new to the platform, this is the section you'll probably use most often. Next, choose a model. The model affects how your image is interpreted and rendered, so this selection plays a big role in the final result. Different models can produce different looks, levels of detail, or visual behavior, so it's worth taking a moment to pick the one that fits your goal. After that, choose a style. This helps guide the overall artistic direction of your image. For example, style settings can influence whether the output feels more realistic, more illustrative, or more polished. If you already have a specific look in mind, this is an important setting to pay attention to. Then, choose your image dimensions. This determines the shape and size of the image you're creating. A square format may work well for general use, while wider or taller dimensions can be better depending on where you plan to use the image. From there, select the number of generations. This controls how many image variations Leonardo AI will create at once. Generating more than one option can be helpful if you want a few different interpretations of the same idea to compare. Now type in your prompt. This is where you describe the image you want Leonardo AI to create. Try to be clear and specific so the tool has a stronger direction to follow. Finally, click on Generate. Leonardo AI will begin creating your images based on the settings and prompt you selected. Once the generation starts, you can wait for the results and review the outputs to see which version works best for your needs.